Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we talked about what GitHub is and why it is important for developers. Today, I will show you step by step how to create a GitHub account easily. Step 1. Open GitHub website. Open your browser. Go to github.com. When the website opens, click on Sign Up at the top right corner. The easiest way is to click Continue with Google. And that's it. GitHub will connect your Google account automatically. Then verify your account. Solve puzzle. It's done. If you don't want to use Google, you can create an account manually. Type your email address. Enter a strong password. Choose a unique username. Choose your country from the list. Then complete the verification CAPTCHA.